Hey, Abby. Need a ride?
No, I already have one. I'm waiting for them.
You sure?
Do you even have a license?
No, who needs one?
Exactly. Peace.
Did you see that tire?
Yeah, I saw it. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's go.
Wait, safety first. All right.